Hi, this is Todd Foisey with the Weather Service in Caribou, and I'm going to go over what most people go to our website for, which is to get the weather forecast. So there's a couple ways you can get it, and our website URL is up here at the top, weather.gov/car. There's a couple ways you can get it. You can enter your location here, say Caribou, Maine, or you can enter the zip code, say 04736, and hit go. You can also type in your location here, Caribou, Maine, hit Remember Me, and hit Get Weather. And then every time you go to the web page, that'll bring up the current conditions for Caribou, a brief little forecast, and you can click on Get Detailed Info for the detailed forecast. Or a third way is you could click on this map here. So for the sakes of this exercise, I'll just click on the map. I'll just click on Caribou. And here comes the forecast for Caribou. At the top is the current conditions for Caribou in this area. Then here's a 7-day forecast right here for this afternoon, tonight, Sunday. Here's the temperature, scattered thunderstorms, and you got a little icon. Here's a detailed forecast in this area. So this afternoon, scattered showers with thunderstorms also possible after 2 p.m. And you can also change the location of your forecast. Let's say you don't actually live in Caribou, which is this little green dot here. You live maybe over towards Limestone. So you can click on the map here near Limestone, and that will change your location to Limestone. See, Limestone here. And your forecast will actually be a little bit different. It may look the same at first, but we actually do a different forecast for each of these little 2.5 kilometer size boxes throughout all of northern and eastern Maine. So you can click around and get a different forecast for each little green box area. You can see that our forecast is for an elevation of 600 feet, and here's your latitude and longitude. You can see the last time it was updated here at 10:27 a.m. And we do try to update the forecast at least every 3 hours to keep it really fresh, up to date. Also, here's a quick link to the satellite and the radar images. And one other feature I'll show that a lot of people like is this hourly weather graph. So let me click on this and just show what's here. So you got all these parameters on a little graph going out in time. You can turn the parameters on and off. Let's say, for example, I don't know, I don't care about relative humidity. I'll click that off and hit submit, and that'll update and get rid of the relative humidity line. So you can customize this a little bit when it loads. Here it is. Okay, so here's the curve of temperature going out through time, this red line, and you can see its temperature by looking at the color here. Here's the dew point in the green. Here's winds. Here's sky cover in the blue, the percent sky cover, the chance of rain in brown. Here's the amount of rain, and here's the thunder potential. And you can also look down here at the bottom, and this will change as you scroll through time. For the current hour, or for the hour you have selected. And you can click further out in the future. You can go forward 2 days, and that's going on out a few days from now. You can click forward 2 more days, so you can get the hourly forecast as you head out through time. So that's basically how you get the forecast information from our web page. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to send us an email at carwebmaster@noaa.gov. That's car, C-A-R, webmaster at noaa.gov. Thanks for your time, and have a wonderful day.